We got a special guest in the building.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Churro, and welcome back to another episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats, and we live from New York City. And today, I want to talk about what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. And so, for the past couple of weeks, I've been utilizing my Ethereum from my wallet, and I've been putting it to work. Yes, you got to do that since the market has been going on a downhill. But what I've been doing is that I've been using Beefy.Finance to earn interest on my Ethereum. And so let's talk about it today. All right, so Beefy is a multi-chain yield optimizer. Wait, hold up. Let's take a step back. What the hell is that? And so to put it in simple terms, Beefy is pretty much a farming platform that allows you to use different blockchain networks such as Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Phantom, and you pretty much earn the best compound interest on your coins. And what makes Beefy really unique is that once you've deposited your coins in a staking or liquidity pool vault on any of those networks, their smart contracts will automatically find the best interest rates for your coins throughout the most popular DeFi network, such as you got Aave, Compound, SushiSwap, or even QuickSwap too, right? So imagine not having to manually move your coins anymore from Aave to Compound to, let's say, SushiSwap. Imagine not having to do all that work. It sounds pretty lit, right? And so Beefy.Finance in general, it's super awesome because pretty much all you have to do is deposit your coins and Beefy does all the work for you. And there is no lock period. You can withdraw anytime, and they offer a variety of coins across Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Phantom, which is pretty cool. And Avalanche too. Don't forget about Avalanche. And all of this sounds really great, but there are a few risks when it comes to using Beefy.Finance. And I love how transparent the Beefy team are with communicating the risk associated with using their platforms. And so first, they mentioned that although they are audited, assets deposited into the vault can decrease in monetary value. So that's one of the risks. And the second risk is the smart contracts. And so the ultimate risk is that an investor's fund can end up stolen or unable to be withdrawn. And the risk of that happening, it's pretty slim since the team does security checks. So it doesn't have any rug pull function. They do these background checks to make sure that those platforms are safe to use. And another risk is impairment loss, right? There is still impairment loss if you're providing liquidity in one of those pool vaults. And so it's unavoidable, which sucks, but those are the risks. And now that I have explained to you guys the costs and benefits of using Beefy.Finance, let me show you guys how Beefy.Finance work. And so when you hop on Beefy, it will ask which network you want to connect to. And I chose the Polygon Network because Beefy offers a high APY and daily interest rates for my Ethereum. And so once you're connected, find your coin in Vault and deposit your coins there, and you'll start earning interest. It's that easy. And one important thing that I want to point out is that Beefy does charge a 10% fee from using the platform, which isn't bad, because they don't charge you when you withdraw from the vault. And if you don't have the coin, you could buy the token and it will take you to a decentralized exchange to buy it. And since I have a MetaMask wallet, there's 3 steps you need to follow to transfer your coins over to the Polygon Network. And so the first step, copy your Ethereum wallet from MetaMask and paste it onto Coinbase Pro. And step 2, once your Ethereum is deposited onto MetaMask, head over to the Polygon wallet network and hit move your funds from Ethereum to Polygon on the website, and it should take you to the transfer bridge. And once you transferred over your Ethereum to the Polygon network, check your MetaMask wallet on Polygon network to see if it's there. And the final step, you can now connect to Beefy and deposit your Ethereum into a vault. Also, make sure you have some Matic coins to cover your transaction fees. There is a faucet where you can get free Matic to cover your transactions, and I'll post a link below so that you guys could use that, because when I first used the Matic network, I didn't have any Matic, so I had to go on to their Discord and ask for help. But these guys are amazing because they gave me some magic to cover my transactions. And another important resource that I want to share with you guys, it is called PolygonDex.com, and they basically pretty much help keep track of all of your yield farming on the Polygon network. And what is so great about this is that it shows you everything, like your profits, your impairment loss, and all that stuff that you need to make your next DeFi strategy. And so I've been using this for a while on Beefy.Finance to create my DeFi strategy, which is amazing. And so overall, Beefy.Finance, I believe that it's a great platform to use if you're interested in yield farming, and if you're lazy to transfer your coins from one platform, from one DeFi platform to another. So I recommend using Beefy.Finance. And what I like about Beefy.Finance the most is that they're really helpful. If you go on their Discord and if you ask for help, they're willing to help you, as well as help you provide resources that you can use to, get some free Matic to help with your transactions, because you need some Matic in order to execute those transactions on Beefy.Finance if you're using the Polygon networks. And so they're really helpful with that. And so with that being said, it's a great platform, great community. And let me know what you guys think about Beefy.Finance in the comments below. Have you guys used it before? Let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one.